and could you try pictures you know. They say we want to be a what they can what you try pictures. And then you try. And son as a video no. Baba ye juma. And a video no so abe ye juma ni nyina no. Ghana for bo fu. Ama wo mo ye intelligent wo security mu no. Obi ani wa waka asem papa fa ho.
There be.
Obi ase enye. Obi ase enye. Ade ankrofo nyina ka security fo nyina ka se enye no. Ana ono so ni we say soldier fo nyina no ono da no chief commander
yeah.
Na nanado.
Yeah.
Eto ono amakwaya.
Wan biem. Uni hweka.
Obi ani hweka.
Yeah.
Entimi amenkasa. Mi fi obi amuka kaka.
Mubejai.
Nti asem we ese nanado mani twawa.
Esa
se ne ba no obelidi ade no ba he no. Wi u ba no maso a.
Enyeye.
Me ame ba mi yini ma. Because me abasha boni.
Okay.
Me ba me pe me ba asem. Me do me ba. Enti se waye bibi na etia o mani nyina.
Unyi ne ma.
Wo be pacha okra no a efere.
Yeah.
Ya je se wo wantie ni a wo mpanyimfo no wo futufo no. Sa council of state for ndo mo kan wuntie. So enti we ni kwas ese ye din na MPP no a be ye we ni sa na oba mu no. Ono no say.
O say asem no. Communicator no.
Communicator on the asem na me dey asem we. Enya asem bia mfise. Because hey na do ba. No don't no go find boyfriend. Any boyfriend so no.
Yeah.
Say any boyfriend no.
No the na rere mu a.
Wo hunu wa bi ko hunu abroche na on the twempra.
Enam so obae.
Wa sa ba na obeto aso.
All right.
No de ko chia na ase.
Okay.
Enti munya akakura na unya atie.
You better ask boys.
And ma kan mo obi anka bi.
Tiai. My enti we.
Okay. The first time better me kan ho asem Robert Williams McMill.
Okay.
Nasem no.
Okay.
Asem ni nyina na boys aka no. Unse baby oko shoot video no. A political house.
Yeah.
It's like parliament.
Yeah.
Politicians na occupy ho. Na say adan so ye twe ho kra. MPP wo ha NDC pe ho aba.
Yes. Edin so kra we ba no asesa no.
NPP pe ho aba.
Yeah.
Enti bibi koso na ansheda nkoye ana ekoye kra na the opposition no wants to make the masses feel say at the corner course no yan can allow side no.
Yeah.
Enti na nkrofo so asusu. Na mo me ha ade bi. Un say 2020 mu ho no. Ghana launch ade bi. Year of return.
Yeah.
Enti ma blacks ne be bre omo te America no.
Omo yes omo beba.
Tracy omo genealogy.
Yeah.
Omo family background from Africa.
Okay.
Be bre Tracy ne bi say omo free West Africa. Then say make me ko Tracy no say he's from West Africa.
Yes, and like Ghana, free Ghana,
Togo, Benin.
Yeah.
O free ahase. Enti omo ba hase ya. Se say you know omo say ye be fie.
Okay.
Enti we heard from time a launch year of return. Yes, and ye free year of return. They ba beyond the return.
No.
Yenya Vic Mensa, T-Pain, Eba recently.
Yeah.
Yenya Chance the Rapper or Baha. Yenya Kendrick
Lamar.
Say.
Yeah.
People were even alleging say Kanye West ni team Eba say.
Yeah.
We have a lot of these blacks are very famous in America or Baha say. Now and go for problem back almost I want to say McMill or ex-convict.
Yes.
And
what's
allowed.
Yeah.
Mumia had DB wa say. Abrofo omo so why say omo be prison no. Omo for the correction office.
Okay.
Omo nim say obia o social deviant, obia society no man tinem obe ha adwene bia no. E wo say the call center bia ye be correct the attitude. Na asa de na back to society nim. And then you obia na de ko prison. Ghanaians don't know that. And you obia na de ko prison. Sometimes they take some people to jail. Jail is different from prison. People should get it.
Okay.
We have someone like Showboy. We knew say he was popular in AMG Omu group in him.
Yeah.
He is not in prison.
He's in jail.
Or jail.
Okay.
Jail no. Say what in New York. A bit like I say, you don't call a state like Texas.
Okay.
But now, I want to
jail
term no.
Oh, okay.
Because you be more by community service. A bit more more PR be proper. I want thing.
Okay.
What in New York? I want in New York. Nti who PSA or be proper. Ube nyamba be adwane afa.
Yeah.
But
do
what
come
Texas
back
are-
for.
Unim maybe I'll be fat.
Okay.
Root be our base will be Johnny Biano. They know the environment more than you.
Yeah.
Inti hono, and your prison or more edomoko prison. Any or more or chintu or cum nipa 60 deliberately or no the edenico prison. And also crown American prisons be high near America. It be a won so.
Yeah. We also island be so.
Time a woo bear se woo bear escape no bear escape in area no be people say so na more.
Yeah.
Inti no biana ya ase didn't ya make me call you didn't you jail you know and no recently. It was because no to and a drugs.
Yeah.
Omo lifestyle no. If you are from a family like support in the house, you belong to the street.
Yeah.
A hono your boy home by. American boy beer na unshadant nephew or weapon the bonnet home by. It is common.
Yeah.
Sompa
Inti all weapon no. You style use weapon.
Yeah.
For self defense. In America, here now you'll be a war weapon. You allow ultimate to war weapon. Now, who you see in a way or cause harm to people among how crana and no yet middle court say beer. This time, you won't use weapon maybe.
Okay.
Who also be allow you can use the weapon.
Okay.
And yet illegal so be use weapon America.
Yeah.
But
the one you soon crime papa so send it
even the police officer or Che McMill.
Yeah.
And say you really easy and say who say no police officer when you're a police officer in America na uchi obia based on o count and the rate ultimate your money you don't call to mudi for you increase your rank.
Yeah.
Into unye bibi kra na
good. Okay.
So it's very easy for a black person to be arrested by a police in America.
Opeso
okonenim.
Okay.
Inti a hotena no police obi omon penase because yenya hwe kra na ye ba
omochie.
Inti Mr. Ghana phone susum bashi to say the boys say can boy na dey no control ni social media page say opagana for ache me kra me yaso okoye sa
okay
because say obi atena
Obeka say Chris Brown issue ni by one beka hwe one boy
I'll tell you something about Chris Brown.
Okay.
McMillan dey no control I say he was forced by no na corner so
okay yeah
because me who say me free ha say na makosra many age
yeah
oba e woni boys na mabonten
to say or street boy no yeah was one you yeah
Jankroma Akufado Baba no
yeah
like who doesn't want to be around me
yeah everybody
or yeah ex-convict so what
or a superstar
so he's a big star in America everyone wants to be around me into Mr. Omo Ghana for a way taking a political side into people are bashing because they have a political sector they belong to. Into political house in any panokoyes and video na make me so when critically you set a camera and see when I make me
Osha omokate decision
how worthy he is. Shoot two video quality in the crowd from no makeup, nothing.
Nice, it wasn't planned. Nice, the
first time I entered the studio,
okay,
I wanted someone to video me.
Okay.
Because I felt say this is an opportunity.
Yeah.
Inti when I have camera on me, I'm many beje.
Yeah.
She baby ojina ye bi opese
camera ton so.
Nene age baby ababi rano.
Yeah.
Inti min strong Ghana for omunya abotre. These people are coming from a different cultural background
altogether.
Sa niema na ye fan wa asi.
Omon fan sa.
Sugar titi I said no. Minim and the boys no margin eyepe.
Okay.
Baby a ye koji eni pa. Uko baby to say Philippines.
Okay.
Malt Island. Maldives.
Okay.
Yewo tables or babu naked or that so. Near say word you know about so.
Hey.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
What's your whole way?
Baby, I did rich people called you many pa. And you Ghana.
Boys.
When come
and Ghana.
Okay. Why say one and go back one
there are some very expensive places.
Yeah.
The rich people. It is for the rich people.
All right.
Obabo naked da ho.
Okay.
Yes, serve you spread it no.
Near there's a so.
Yes.
And
people are even proud some bet now
okay.
Unse entertainment it involves everything.
A lot, yeah.
Why do you need But when the problem in Ghana for any sugar titi one say the girl is ahead of time. Ghana for any so.
Yeah.
In the
Ne yo no ye no.
Yeah.
Ebro ya dwene ye ntia se so.
Yeah, like or as a olive life before or Western world.
Okay.
Into why the religious settings are cultural settings are into Basai who do you know bonnet.
Yeah.
But the girl is far ahead of us.
Because I do I think so they train customers pa.
Yes.
Bonnie be anim because man for kwa no.
No.
Obviously was saying.
Don't go there.
Next week.
Me ba TI na wo floor.
Next week entourage me what them hanging out.
Yeah.
Ye nyina ye be ko ho akodi.
Akodi.
E was say nyina ye ko akodi.
Mo nko. Ye de ye be ko.
Because the girl near wrong. But she's far ahead of time.
Yeah. That means who ni say encha man for be copy ni style no.
Unim.
Hey, ene yenya you are there so anke yo.
Ene me ekosu wo Ghana. Ene me ekosu.
Say yenya are you are there.
Ene me ekosu wo Ghana currently.
Yeah.
The next 10 years, 15 years people will see Sane manage to get it here.
Say normal.
No, we didn't.
Just like Moisha Koye ne bat.
You see,
we say December but see there.
Me cemetis will be in a bat, will be in a breast. Never for can once a man. I'm in two myself.
Okay.
More cano or shall wake.
Yeah.
Why you make
nails?
Why nails?
Yeah. The same.
I didn't know condemn with the alcohol in a bat.
Yeah.
Because say if you're okay with your natural hair now, if you're okay with your natural facial makeup,
yeah.
Into when you're okay with the bat,
still
we have people have a problem with what people do with their lives more than what they should be doing with their own lives.
Yeah.
And a hard, you know what? You're part of the world, no.
True.
A hard, you know,
yeah.
A biani to say gay for you.
Yeah.
The entire Western world for no, or more accepted gayism, no lesbianism, and they say, hey. Yeah, hey, meaning to be our relationship.
Yeah.
Time I no partner share on them no. Ubi any ho.
Maybe.
And constitute even 1% of the time in the week.
Yeah.
You're then a partner there every day. When you sure say, o calculate hours you in the week. O hours on the partner neboma. A bit do even 5% of the whole week.
No.
Into abofu huni say, adena nipa sorry kwa juma 8 to be at 5 o'clock or ye juma normal society no more hard or oni obi behave normal but question them be 10 minutes ade oni obi koye no also what problem
also on their own tear no
say I didn't know no obi akwhye them ayi say enya bonte no ye no
what
them ne privacy oba bonte so oni obi behave normal on cause trouble be our society nim but also the 20 minutes no be akwhye them ayi no you have a problem with that. And once again it is because you're the religion in them. You're the cultural settings them. So say if we have a global world Obite America the course we Ghana be our teaching obi kwa te tamale or te the course we Accra chain be Accra because or henema on the media into Israel sugar tea amumi money break kakra and Blackson dear back person mechanism you see or a very popular America comedian will be a pen as America time a bunny mu say omra hasi mame you know a dear back or yadi or home pass he listened to the family senko tie Ghanaians are and call my mayor you hasi because Ghana for the you will subain be said once you better get used to you no the party or why negative news oh yeah there negativity na promote what has say who go see school Ghana ombesa ball kakra
yes
na asase no crowd later be say you be cancel much buabem but the guy noticed say time on no so no baby o nyine no say ohun how an ekoso inti and my big star let me contribute to my society inti may support blacks in there or 100% and this should encourage everyone or person investing in Ghana because education there obi odin sika na ni bi be education no per mine Inti Blackson, Yamin for Adia, no near say other people are multi diaspora. No, almost benya or pepano, no, my baby is Hanya Manoha. The last thing I want to talk about, any PSA, was it?
Yeah, PSA star. Yeah.
Music is the only thing that enters you without permission.
Yeah.
I thought be a Kai Sofubi, no Chame Kwame Bonnenyumbi, also.
Yeah.
Or Prempa Assembly Hall, not see any more.
Okay.
So for no tapping and I tell say you may see.
See,
A rano, ne refino.
yeah.
Inti, and you dear.
The ref is your chame. Kwame also come the
It's
go.
me that be a castle, omo de bibi we are sending way, your mammy in Tiasi.
Okay.
Yaminum, who caught jogging, ne say, na, intimate gospel and farani. Because you you need some physical edge be a bit more very active.
Yeah.
We are the phone boss are
Definitely.
Inti meanings are not in words, meanings are in people.
Okay.
If I'm listening to Obinyum na words no kano, I'm not too much concerned about Sani Mano, but I'm concerned about what I'm doing with Sadina. That is what is important. Inti enyum bebre akoso a ye nte kasa no. Enyum bi by name the pound motwa no meja mo to form. Refugium, I think it's a Kenyan even about you.
Okay.
Sajum no.
Almost to my job more to
was it and you meaning this or say Ujano like Obewu.
Okay.
And you know almost or yeah active
no to film.
Ne popular pa baby Abekobia.
Okay.
Started Sanyum na no bia.
Oh nice.
Music there.
Okay.
Until Mammy when I was young, and way net to no on your Ghanaian. Like good music there. Uber to crab brown new language.
Okay.
Until has a you may bet trap boundaries. Sarkodie is very popular in Africa.
Yeah.
Most of his songs are in P.
Yeah.
Omomuti and him for a tree no can.
Yeah.
Nipani a good. Nenyum bet transcend it.
Yeah.
No matter the language. Until your both PSA star about.
All right. You better say you better kwa humano so ana maminko Eddie ho na me have one so ni take Eddie.
Excellent. Mama fan free PSA star any.
Okay. Nenyum no nim to kakra.
Minim to pa.
To kakra ni enhwe. Where's where is it?
Me here back.
Yeah, that be oh back that in my back yo. That in my back yo.
Sankanye radia asame sayenya dia
that's it man obi a wo back na don't to me as wa back
Sankanye radia wasame sabefemne dia
wa see
me buse munye
that's it man
radia ye mi yo
e ho do obi a betimi aka e ho do obi ani mo na
PSA one of the gospel musicians.
Yeah.
Baby ofi no o kind of story one way ni so betata.
Oh yeah, the other time obeka ye nyina Yesu.
Yes. So wotie PSA Esther story utimi hu say anokwa. Yankopon eni na di ni yi. Eno te sanyom na ye one lyrics no Esther me free a personal experience.
Yeah.
Eno sa no so jina mic na or record ya eba bontia eye nhira mo obia because eye relatable yeni na ye bre kwan bi so
yeah
ena nyankopon su pagya ye nkakaka ene ye ha ye kasa ni na nyankopon no gusa o pagya ye enti utimi relate very realistic
yeah
eno ntia kwa akira edisa kwa akira
okay
secular word no ya ha ye tie Nigeria for wonder mo atilo metiase ensometo
to
Dorobuchi nini na account mentiase ensometo. There are many others like that.
Yeah.
Read them na ya ode. There are so many elements of music. Okay. Read them na ya ode tie melody no efawa. You before you realize to. Ebuka won ko lyrics no.
Yeah.
But wutie no. Na akawa no.
Yeah.
Eno bi na esi wo message ngode ne ma I won't be surprised.
Yeah.
Enyum ne powerful.
Yeah.
Nti me manu ku.
Me ya say powerful na still power ni antimi amamo anto.
Na unka huntia.
That's it, ma.
No.
Because moment say boys mood.
Okay, mama ko make me on so asem na so kakra.
Okay.
Madam for be na catch me say oh make me like video bi na ojina fellow Ghanaians a podium na chi.
Why na fellow Ghanaians no?
Kufado podium na
Ghana president.
No,
okay.
Na me catch me say oh anya no kre. Esa ne say And the musicians are very creative. The production team no crampona. I should be studio ho.
Okay.
No me who video no.
Okay.
Almost sets no studio.
Just like the Jubilee House no. And no more.
And I said to the movie movie cry almost the White House. A movie. And so no White House. It's similarly no. Almost share with studio.
To the one Jenny.
Manye mi bogu as a man okay see where they mean be that
so bet me akọ Jubilee House
fellow Ghanaians achi
eda ko bonyum
ko see me hu video no
okay
said there na me nua be making na ye piece from entrance of the Jubilee House so eba corridors
yeah
eba conference rooms no ho na ne ade if they wanted to shoot a video like this enkomo betimi aye omo some software be CGI or multimedia a replica of ade a wo pe no so White House na pese wo twa video bi wo ho no ma
okay
wo betimi ahye ye set up no studio na ase
White House okay think o betimi aye replica of this Jubilee House
betimi aye ne sa
okay
so wo ko ho no se wo ko sra o manpanyi ene omo oni mu di dwuma makoko me ho ne video bi conference room
no mu di yeah
I wish be
prison.
Good. Okay. It's all kwasra oma. That is fine. Fantastic. Oni o medi nkomo. Eni die muli.
Yeah.
Oni o medi nkomo we wa pack oni o ma na wa sore na wo ko.
Simple.
Maybe he wasn't Sompa.
No. Say na bia ye.
Definitely. Obi anim.
Ebi no man kan kire.
O man kan kire ni say. And one na boys kan no.
Ebi o man kire ni say
bia. Say ho ye video.
No, unse baby o
parliament.
Eni kwan say ka kire o.
No, baby o akura no. Baby akura. The guy is just proud.
Yeah. Nani aje.
The guy unse he video ni o. Na he
akoma or the any reaction.
The reaction or the attach video no.
Yeah.
The guy is proud say.
But in fact,
manya chance. Ewo bibi say.
Then it should be something different. Ko betima ye video e bia enkomodi say the mudika o kasa wo video na mo ta na o channel o call prison ni ade no. That one is okay. But today instead of the music video
waba fie no nya video bi de ko ekotire
eno die
yeah omrika ho
to make can be so say
yeah
make can be so say and son and nipa ni betu anamon bi no obeji permission
yeah
ebusuade we na mpese me yo ekwan da ho ana you ekwan da ho jabi jai yenye ne sa ekwan na ho na wajai yeah yet hey ye mu ahe and na sorry say
make the end here na protocol
ye ko Jubilee House akose say oh ye pese ye be ya de kakra bi say e wa ha say ye mu bi anya akukudro na nya sada e bi anke be ma ye permission
e wo Jubilee House okay
e bi other place
e bi
every Ghanaian will be allowed to enter Jubilee House
but not to shoot a video
see me
yeah
asama make no asama make na say ye mu ahe ena nya akukudro
okay
akose the thing is that ebi a yefa say shatawale person music video e wo baby a fellow Ghanaians epeso ye no wotimi asore say okoje permission to do that na there be onye ye make me o na etime because say koba na say
na say Jubilee House dey intro video Jubilee House that's the whole thing
no
Jubilee House dey see intro video
you should understand where I'm coming from say koba na say you're wrong highly wrong say by sir e come my video no cram ba bonting make I Caleb Kuda
say make me na try video no posting the video
they came a time ahun na ye BNI or more for so baby and no twitwa videos they came to arrest him City TV because you're wrong say except of that particular building in Pobaba Bonting
okay
it's in you're wrong say in this about Bontia and they will stop the videos from coming out
say on no posting the video and I was pulling it back
make me
we're pulling it off
who say we free honum because of the backlash
yeah
and no you free honum
yeah
it's in Kabaya and son Ghana for Bekasa no yenso yenya kuku yakona so ma boy go a na etimi agina so
and who ni say because of say enya Ghana ni na ye make me on nti na Ghana for adwa
Odi so akwaya ma no
boys be so
you say dia ho dey say ho enya allowed
yes
it's not allowed
it's
ye man ko wasun
unko
ye ma ho e me ye sa de no ho say adeɛ na si yɛ no what is a soja ni bi etima kasa
for now
securities obia ni hɔ wɔtima ba abɔnten kanda pa otimi my brand hwan obia timi ma abɔnten efiri sɛ adeɛ no yɛ adeɛ bi a wɔn mu nyinaa asɔko wɔn mu because ɛkɔɛ papa no ɔnso ne commander in chief
of the Ghana Armed Forces
ɔno amu na ma akwai adugagai no ɔno na ma akwai ɛma yɛtwa adeɛ no eti sese no soja ni bi antimi ɛmɛka bi sɛ wei ebi anyi eti na wei no communicator ne bɛka sɛ abai no nyɛ dɛ onim ho hwee so yɛ big mistake saa kasa no ɔbɛka no ɛmmoa no
alright
ɛhɔ yɛnkɔ hɔ o
hwɛ akwabɔ anyom ɔbɔ ma black stars guys sɛ hwɛ bi ogyina bɔ anyom
yɛnkɔ hɔ kora
sani yɛ fla oh sani yɛ independence
dabi hwɛ bi ogyina yɛ
oh yeah sani hɔ deɛ
wobɛtumi akɔ hɔ
oh
wokɔ a
ase hɔ deɛ obi atimi kɔ
dabi me say ebi anko onya chance o jubilee house
kɔ yɛ
oh
hɔ
yes
that means wɔnya kukudu
hwɛ bi
ankɔ
ogyina yɛ
polisi fɔ no koraa no yɛkɔ
Alright.
onim sɛ ɔkɔkɔ yɛ ma no
yɛkɔ ne yɛkɔgye permit baabi a wɔbɛtumi ka kyerɛ sɛ hɔ deɛ ɛnya allow
no zone no area sure
na mu
Alright.
nkurɔfoɔ bi
Yeah,
ɛdeɛ na ɔkɔtwitwa ebi a na sisi ebi bi a boy bi wɔ city hwan deɛ woka no
Aye.
ɔkɔtwitwa yɛyɛ ne dɛn
yɛdoa no
alright yɛmmerɛ no
parliament
nti
yɛnwuram
ma yɛmfa nsi ana memfa
wese wɔ hɔ
announcement wei
Jubilee House.
ntwam wei ɛyɛ missing wallet wallet bi ayera na Mr. James Apia Mr. James Richard Apia on na de aba sɛ wayera ne wallet ɛwɔ Swame Kronom wabra ofro ka ene 1 pm pɛpɛɛpɛ na wallet no enema ɛwɔ mu no ɛyɛ Canadian citizenship card ɛna afei Canada bank cards ahodoɔ ne master cards nti ɔsrɛ sɛ obi bia wani atwa saa wallet yi so no bɔmmɔden a sɛ card ɛwɔ mu ne ade no wobɛtumi ɛde aba Sompa FM na ne nsa atumi aka na ɛkɔba ne saa ɔwɔ akyɛdeɛ sonko a ɔde bɛma wo nti ebia na wani atwa wafro car wɔn wallet bi oyɛ driver wɔn sɛ wallet bi ɛda wo car mu a bɔmmɔden na hwem ɛyɛ Mr. James Richard Apia ne din ɛna ɛwɔ so a bɔmmɔden sɛ ɔde bɛba Sompa FM ha sei na ne nsa atumi aka afei nso ɛnɛ sɛ wopɛ baabi adwodwo wo ho a ɛnyɛ all the time ɛna wo ne odɔfo mo bɛtena fie ɛnɛ yɛ weekends mo bɛtumi apie na wopie nso a sɛ wonya baabi a hɔ no environment no ɛyɛ serene na wobɛtumi akɔtena agye w'ani Silent Night Guest House and Event Center ɛwɔ hɔ ɛde ma wo mepatwɛ ɛhɔ no wokɔduru a ɛhɔ yɛ European Standard Hotel Service ɛna ɔmo European Standard nti wotie din ne yɛ ɛyɛ European Standard wokɔda hɔ a yɛto yɛ bo ase yɛsom wo wonya ne baabi a agye sɛ Silent Night Guest House and Event Center afei yɛma wo bed and breakfast na sɛ wokɔda hɔ a ade kye a na yɛabɛserve wo kama nti ɛno nso ɛyɛ bibia wɔ hɔ environment no yɛ serene na hɔ yɛ kama hɔ yɛ din nti mpanyimfoɔ politicians ahemfo akukudamfoɔ mo pɛ baabi akɔdwodwo mo ho a ɛyɛ Silent Night Guest House and Event Center na wokɔhwɛ sɛne ɔmo gardens no wɔn sɛ nnua ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛboa yɛ paa fi sɛ ɛma yɛ oxygen nti sɛ wote dua ase na woedi dwumadie bi a yɛ na ɛtumi kɔ yie paa ɛnka ne yɛsua sɛ ɛyɛ nananom ɛbɛto anansesɛm akyerɛ yɛn a yɛtumi hyia wɔ dua ase sɛ adeɛ nsan a yɛbɛhyia wɔ gya ho a yɛ na dua ase yɛkɔtena aseɛ na fi sɛ mframa no ɛfiri aseɛ ba no yɛ na very good paa nti wobɔwura Silent Night Guest House and Event Center saa nnipa nyinaa ɛwɔ hɔ de ma wo afei memene da bia saa berɛ a me ne wo ka sɛ live band no ɛkɔ so dendenden nti yɛnma yɛne gye live band ho no yɛmmɔ mmɔden a na yɛmbɔ nwura hɔ nom afei ɔmo wɔ assorted drinks ɛne aduane bia local ɛne continental na Sunday bia no ɛyɛ special fufu ɛne amutuo party nti boys ɛne girls after church mutumi ɛbɔwura hɔ na afei hwɛ wote dua ase na wodidi sɛ ti a hwɛ hɔ nom nyambɔ ɔkyena yɛbɛkɔ alright nti hwehwɛ Silent Night Guest House and Event Center ɛwɔ IPT ofiri IPT ɛkɔ nyankyerɛne ase wɔn ne police container ɛna di anim hwɛ wobɛtumi afrɛ 0540 942916 0540 942916 ɛma remfi sɛ 5G no obema wo sa ka bi enye no nko a mizo no eyema obi bia ye wo mango ene ye wo multifruit no preservatives bibia mframu na 5G no nso de ubisa boys obeka cho say 5G no aboa ne papa. All right, yenko ahoma no so nansana no the final story e ha general manager of Tarawan Media Tofia Kwa shows his rap skills inside Sompa recording studio. Enti Ora Tofia Kwa o kire say enye program kwa no nim host ana say manager kwa no nim ye na ba no raps nso a woya ade pa. Enti yenhwe video no na yenti enyum no abra na Tarawan Media ye general manager wabora boot mu a ono so wo kire ne raps no sene anema no esi kwa he nti yenhwe no ntwato na afei yembi ahoma na ma atiefo ne ahwefo so emram
yo rap ni isho man Tofia Kwa
ana mosre
Tofia Kwa die ene abafie ovedo ho aya hwie Tarawan Media koso anati Sompa FM usaye Argentina ho ayede mase ani agi baby ewu one day kana beje ebarapa me na
enti bra Facebook na be Sompa manager Tofia Kwa on ma raps no abio
Shatawali or check give me beat 5G enemy so drink can sing in tea boys pepper mango non so for
hey
this food non so yemo bia rap ni Tofia Kwa die ene abafie ovedo ho aya hwie Tarawan Media koso anati Sompa FM usaye Argentina ho ayede mase ani agi baby ewu one day kana beje ebarapa me number 1
all right yenko ahoma no so na oh boys
Or standard a chance of winning rap of the year. Ghana music.
that we the mo ye dia
Coachella no next year man perform.
all right 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 obetimi aba ahoma no so mejidi se mo bi anka your manager rap no asem hello
Yes, hello.
me ba jo di ni baby akasa free
Meeting the Papa Yao.
kasa free infa
Bankraso.
ba jo yeti o
We have a meeting last seminar. Oh. Then the thing when they say, now, boys, you can say, you chat video or and you, but the thing will say, more written document of the do's and then the don'ts of Jubilee House. Boys, we not sample. I was a sample of the do's and don'ts of Jubilee House, and I say like, maybe so. Why you didn't say to me, yes, how can I say yes, how? Because they are not boys, and lady back on the can I say, what kind of same concrete to say, yes, how? To the same. So more sample I am sharing in review and it means if you have for alcohol.
all right yo yeah that's you be share sample no hello
Hello.
yeah me ba jo udi ni baby akasa free
Me pacho ya flame kalita mkasafiri ya se oyokun jongo.
all right yeti o
Me dama pa ni mo program mo ye na men kamo. Na ya mpesa me kamo ni se ben na boy aso we Ghana for me mfana sembo ni we Ghana house
hello me ba jo udi ni baby akasa free
Angelina.
all right Angelina jina yie na yento nka wadaroma yeah Angelina ukasa free infa oh okay hello me ba jo udi ni baby akasa free all right Isaac yeti o Oh, okay. Yeah, when you're basketball. Yeah. All right. Hello.
Yeah. I mean,
Me ba Joe didn't baby Alcasa free.
You're trying to pay out. Make sure she man cancel.
Right, Papa, how you too?
It's a kind of congratulating program entertaining.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Me ba Joe didn't baby Alcasa free. Hello. Ba Joe didn't baby Alcasa free. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba Joe didn't baby Alcasa free.
We did this fire.
So fire Alcasa free here.
We did this fire. I'm got a free.
Right, so far you tell man TV no why you tell kapa.
I'm a patch of pot no.
Hello.
We got a free.
Port no yetie.
Me patch of pot no one sem na make a cry.
Yetie so fire can be why.
Pot no me ni ni sem fun so bia
Come on. So far that's it. Yemfa calling NCA your time na BTN. Yemfa NCA pa. But mama your manager video na yenhwe. I was Sompa studio. Na yenhwe na because raps we dey easy. Easy.
It's your man,
The best general manager alive. Yeah.
One media, Kosuaneti, Sompa FM, Usaye, Argentina, a Hawaii day. Baby, one day, Ghana Beji, Emarapa, we are number one. Your friend may say, Tofiaqua, your friend may say, Tofiaqua.
Oh, but manager is good. Raps no be on point.
Winning rapper of the year at Ghana Music Awards.
Tia do for the enko your time in the call.
Mechia obia otie mechia tafufu nyina nhia so for mechia me ba ma bena.
Okay.
Mechia sewa mechia obia otie.
All right. Eddie.
Fish.
Yeah.
Ye koi dia mamenchia etifoni no ma ya de so maka ye ho.
Okay.
Abesi don hwe yi mu. Mamenchia nana kranchi apomodin. Oti e free asin for so.
Okay.
And na lende no so oti e free asin for so. Mechia busuafo ni na.
All right. That's him.
Yes, cool.
Chia do for ni enko.
Okay, me das pa mechia obi biara oje bre na ohwe ye wo TV ni so na oti ye program ya ye ye shebo say next week ye besan yaba.
Okay.
So bi anti.
Boys.
Yo, mechia sunyan for Sompa for.
Yeah.
Next week Friday, meko.
Oh, okay.
Na makoti na kakra na.
Okay.
Ma mu.
Nice one.
Na de chia.
What's aba?
Ma ba ha me
Nice
ko
one.
be brother be a friend Kofi.
Okay.
German about invite me tea.
Okay.
Meko Thursday.
Okay.
Na
Tu
de
kwa no ato afa ho.
Mako.
Aye.
Studio akọbọ adwuma.
Straight.
Ansana ade chia ma banti mi chia o mu nyina.
All right.
Na me ba no di mechi your friend na Fisa nti mechia no.
Okay.
Kakra.
All right.
I will be generous.
That's him pese o ye.
Generous.
All right. Yeah, the show no nyina esi. Nyankopon Ezra obi bia o tie yen. Ene mo nso a mo hwe. Me di Michael Donko. What say Edinka, dachi hima babi sanso boys and atia nso ebeboa. Ma remfi ye nko hia mu e wo Silent Night Guest House and Event Center. Ye free ha ye nyina ye kɔ hɔ nti ye nko hia because e hwa ye de pa. Nyankopon hwira wo se utie adwuma die bi. Ye de asi.
Enemy so drink, can sing in tea, boys pepper. Mango non so for rich food non so yamo bia. Yeah. Rap near.